Hello students, in this video we will discuss about draw a tangent from an external point to a circle. Tangent drawn from an external point to a circle. This is a very important topic. How to draw a tangent or tangents from an external point to the circle. Now first we try to understand what is the tangent and what is the property of tangent and how many number of tangent can drawn from an external point to the given circle. Since what is the tangent? Tangent, suppose here this is a circle and this is the center of the circle. Already these topics explained in the chapter 10 in the circle chapter. If a line touches to the circle at one and only one point, then that line is known as tangent of the circle. Condition is distance of this line from the center of the circle is equal to the radius of the circle, then that line will be tangent of that circle. Otherwise, that line is not tangent of the circle. In this question, in this topic, we will draw a tangent from an external point to a given circle. First thing, how many number of tangents can drawn from an external point to the circle? Suppose this is point P is an external point and you can draw this type of a line which touches this circle one and only one point, and another line can drawn like this which is touches this circle at one and only one point. But out of these two lines, there is no any line can drawn from this point to this circle which touches these circles at one and only one point. That means this is proof that only or maximum two tangents can drawn from any external point to this circle. What is the method to draw a tangent from an external point to this circle? We will learn here. Suppose this is a given circle whose center is O and P is a point which is an external point to this circle. If we want to draw a tangent from P on the circle, then in the first step we should be join P and O with the help of scale. P and O with the help of scale. We should be join P and O with the help of scale. Again, we should be draw perpendicular bisector of PO. Perpendicular bisector of PO already you have learned in the previous classes how to draw perpendicular bisector of any line. That means in your compass you take a radius more than half of PO and cut two arcs from P in upper direction and in lower direction, and the same way and with the same radius we cut another arc from O in upper direction and lower direction. That means I like this and this. These two intersection, two arcs gives us two intersection points, and join the both intersection point of these arcs with the help of scale. This will be perpendicular bisector of OP line, and both lines intersect to each other at M. Now we will take a radius is equal to MP or OM. Anyone, MP and OM both are equal, so we should be take a radius in your compass is equal to OM, and draw a circle with the center M which is passes through the P and O, which is passes through the P and O, whose center is M. You can see here this new circle cut to the original circle at 2 points denoted by A and B. Join PA and PB with the help of scale. I like this and I like this. Now you can see here PA line and PB line intersect or touch the original circle at one and only one point. Therefore, PA and PB will be tangent to the given circle. This is the construction has finished. Thus PA and PB will be required tangent. But our solution have not finished here. We will justify PA and PB are the tangents. For this, that means for justification, join OA and OB. Join OA and OB. As you know that PO is the diameter of this dotted circle. Since PO is diameter of dotted circle, therefore angle PAO and angle angle PAO and angle PBO are angles of semicircle. And as you know that angle of semicircle is 90 degree. Therefore, angle PAO equal to angle PBO equal to 90 degree. Therefore, this angle will be 90 degree and this angle will be 90 degree. Since, as you know that line joining the point of contact means common point to the center of circle in 90 degree, then this line, that means PA and PB, will be tangents. Therefore, PA and PB will be tangents of given circle. Thus, this is the justification of the tangent drawn from an external point to the circle.